Hello everyone, welcome to our today new video. So the topic of our today new video is how to make your PC super fast. So in this video we'll talk about reasons why your PC is getting slower, and then after we'll see various methods how you can fix your PC and make your PC super fast. So let's start our video, and at first we'll talk about the reasons. So there are a couple of reasons. So the reasons is as follow. So there can be too many programs or browser tabs are open in your PC. Second reason can be hard drive or memory could be maxed out or it can be full. And third reason can be unnecessary software updates are overloading your machine. And fourth reason can be too many applications automatically open when your PC starts up. And the last reason can be your PC can be infected with a various virus. So in that case your PC can get slower, and yeah, to fix that issues in this video we'll see various steps what we can take to resolve that issues. So without further delay, let's start our method, and we'll discuss one by one how to solve it. So at first we'll see our first method. So normally click your control shift and skip button at the same time to open the task manager, and in the task manager you can see startup. So you can just simply click and you can see a various software which is to open when you power on your PC automatically. So go to the startup and simply you can enable some of the app which is getting automatically uh, on. So simply you click to that app and you can disable it. So you can see I have disabled my Google Chrome, and secondly I have disabled my Xbox app services. So in this way you can disable the app which you don't want to automatically start while you are owning your computer. So this is our first step, or you can say this is our first method. And secondly we'll see our second method. So the second method we'll see by going there in the another option, that is services. So here we have to enable our Windows update. So you can see there my Windows update is running. So simply I will click and right click my, and I'll get the option, and I'll just stop my Windows update by itself automatically, because sometimes Windows update also can make your PC too slow. So in that case you can uh, stop your Windows update option, and after when you need to make your Windows update you just update it manually. So like it can be a security concern, so you have to check after 1 month or 2 months every time that your Windows update is working properly. So this was our second step. Now we'll talk about the third step. So simply go in our search bar and you can type disk clean app. You can open the disk clean app and you can see the wizard of disk clean app, and you just simply tick up all the files, recycle bins, temporary files, thumbnails, and these files, and simply click OK, and it gonna delete each and every unwanted file which is in your PC. And this process also help you to make your PC faster. So you can see your memory got some empty, so they are also occupying some of the space, and after deleting it your memory can be empty for quite. So this was our third step. Now we will discuss about the fourth step. So simply open your setting and go to your system, and then after you used to get in your PC unwanted notification through a various app. So in this method we'll just off the notification option. So due to that also you can make your PC a little bit faster. So simply go into setting and system, and you can see the notification and action. And normally in most of the PC you can see it on, but just make it off, so the notification of your PC will be off, and notification can will not be appeared in your PC, and in that way you can make your PC faster. And the second step is go to the store, and in most of the PC you will see the store option is off, but make it on, because if you make it on, then the temporary file and other unwanted file will not be saved in your computer memory, and in this way you can make your PC faster. So this was our another step. Yeah, so you can do on that option, and let's see the another option. So our today another option is just uninstall some of the app of your computer which you use rarely. So your PC have various app, but you only use in some of the cases. So in that case you can uninstall the app which you do not use in day-to-day days. So normally what you do, you just go to your setting, and you can open the app option. You can see just under the phone option there is app, where you can open that option, and you can see the first option, apps and features. So normally click your apps and option, the first options, and you can see a various app there. So you can uninstall the apps which you don't need in your daily life. So here I am not using the GIMP regularly, so I will uninstall this app. Normally click that app, and you will see the option modify and uninstall. So by that you can uninstall it, sorry, and yeah, so you can go in the first options. Yeah, and another app I want to uninstall, that is Candy Crush. I don't used to play it, and because that app also occupies some of my memory space, that is 204 MB. So you can uninstall it, and after uninstalling it maybe some of your memory space can be empty, and it can all by this way you can improve your performance of your PC. So this was another step. So after completing these all steps, but still your PC is not performing properly, you can do the last and final you can use the last and final method, that is Windows update. You can normally go there, and you can click the recovery option, and you can reset it, so it is like a hard reset. So normally what this method will do means it gonna format each and everything of your PC, and it will make your PC new as a brand, like when you bought your PC from the store, it gonna make it like that. So it is at first it is better to, while doing the reset, it is better to save your important file into another place, or you can make your drive partition drive, and you can save the important file. So thank you guys, this is for it for this video, and we'll see you in the next video.